Hey everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pink Buckaroo Designs. I am thrilled to bring to you my 2021 Halloween Treats Class to Go. Halloween is one of my very favorite holidays. I love fall. I get so excited for all the pumpkins. And so when I saw this cute bundle from Stampin' Up, the Cutest Halloween, it's got a punch, it's got a stamp set, I knew that this is what I was going to use for my Halloween Treats class. In this class to go, it's delivered right to your mailbox. You can do it at any time. There's no online meeting time. It comes with a step-by-step PDF, and it has all of the materials prepared and ready for you. My classes always have 4 options. Option number 1 is for those of you that don't have the bundle yet. You need the bundle with your class kit. Option 1 has the bundle, all 6 make and takes. You're going to get a full pack of designer series paper that matches, so you can make lots more projects if you want, a full bolt of the black and white ribbon, and a full pack of the Cute Stars adhesive back sequins. Now notice mine are missing. I promise yours will be brand new and it will have all your stars. Option number 1 includes all of that for $59. When you buy option 1, you're actually getting the pack of paper for free as my gift to you. Now, option 2 is for those of you that don't need the bundle. You have it already, but you want the make and take kits. You want me to send you everything. I will have everything die cut and scored for you. You will just need to use your punch, your stamp, and your inks for your projects. That's option 2, and it's $39. It includes all 6 make and takes. It includes the pack of paper, the pack of sequins, and the bolt of ribbon, because you're going to use these on your projects. You're going to need them, but you're going to have lots left over to make more projects. So option 2 is $39. Now, option 1 and 2 ship flat rate priority mail for $8. It's a padded envelope and it has tracking and insurance on it. So if you are not local and you want me to ship it to you, it will be $8. Now option 3 is for those of you that don't want me to send you anything. Erica, I've got everything at home. I just want the tutorials. That PDF is available in my PDF store. You can purchase it for $15. It is immediately emailed to you from the website and you can get started as soon as you receive it. Option 4 is for my team, the Sweet Stampede. They get the make and take kits for $20 this month. Guys, that even includes shipping. It's a perk of joining my team. All right, now, if you'd like to register for this class to go, you've got to do so by September 21st. That's the cutoff. I will prep them and get everything ready in the week following that, and they will all ship on September 28th. Maybe a day earlier since that's my birthday. So you will have them in your mailbox by the first week of October, ready for you to start planning for all of your fun little trick-or-treaters. Now, I can't list the link for registration on my blog or on social media. You actually have to email me and I can send you that link. Just shoot me an email, say, Erica, I'd like to register for your class. The PDF link you can always find directly in my PDF store. You don't have to email me for the PDF. But the class kits, I will send you that link and hope you get registered soon. All right, that's it, you guys. Remember, you have until September 21st to get your Halloween Treats class to go. And I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks, everybody. Happy Halloween. Bye-bye.